about to take a step out. Get some air now, cut your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out?
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvme here, and they sent me this 4x4, I think it's 12-inch bob. I did cut it a little bit shorter because just the front part was a little bit awkward, and I cut it to make sure it was literally shoulder length. So it's roughly still between 10 inches and 12 inches, but it did come as a 12-inch wig. But before we jump into the installation of this wig, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. They sent me some headband that you can put around your head. They sent some stocking cap. They sent their information card with their social media handles. They also sent a little like envelope with like a message to me, and they also sent me some wig stopper gliding type of silicone headband that helps your wig not slide off your head. But yeah, if you want to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Leave me, dripping out on me. Already
body, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not babe. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Y'all's on this side, y'all over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. It like guns with the aching, yeah. Getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing. Had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah. You play me. You play me. You my heart is on fire. This can't be our first time. We my heart is on fire. Still a version of mine. Looking for some things that I've been about. You got that shit. Somebody to love for, but won't fight. You my heart is on fire. This can't be our first time. Looking for some things that I think that I can find. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Why is this so funny? Oh yeah, just say alright. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You wanna get with me, stop it.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like gold, yeah. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go, go. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas, no. I've been influenced.
So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank Luvme here for sponsoring this video. The links to the wig will be down in the description box. If you guys love to purchase this wig, definitely check down below. If I have a coupon code, which I do think I have a coupon code, will be down in the description box as well. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.